Randy Smith with Seguin Fabricators. We're a family-owned business. I'm third generation. My grandfather started. My dad, 50 years ago, started in the water and wastewater industry, and that's what we're still. Main product is water and wastewater, and we have the fourth generation active in the business currently also. So we build miscellaneous metals for water and wastewater treatment plants, which has its own set of complexities because it's carbon steel, aluminum, and stainless also. So that is one of the items that we had to try to find for production software, that somebody or software that could work in those metals also. It's a little unique on that aspect. It's not straight structural, so that's one of the reasons we're here with STRUMIS. We've seen so much change in the last 10 years, but over the last 50 has been incredible. Since we're in the unique business of water and wastewater, we just see a lot of opportunity just from growth, but now how to accommodate those customers and grow with them as just the population grows. So we have to be more efficient at all of those aspects, and the production control is just necessary. How to keep track of drawings easily, because all the customers have questions, and so you have to be able to have information at your fingertips. Prior to STRUMIS, we were originally went from hand spreadsheets to Romac, and Y2K we had to go to Fabtrol. So we've been with Fabtrol for 20 years, end of life in Fabtrol. So we were looked at a couple other products, tried one, wasn't successful with working with the miscellaneous, so we came back to STRUMIS. Yeah, training, we did opt for the on-site training only because everybody has their own unique way of handling estimates and production, and so we needed that to be able to determine how STRUMIS can work for us. We chose STRUMIS, one, for the support, because we tried another option and it just could not get the application for stainless and aluminum the way that we needed our bill of materials, estimates, all to work. So that was, unfortunately, we had to go end of life from Fabtrol over to new software. So when we were looking, it was robust and it had functionality to be able to filter and sort and look at your tables for the different materials, and that was key for us to be able to manage all of that with the different grades and materials that we were using. For other fabricators to consider STRUMIS, it does have all the features of a robust MRP or production control system. Does have some flexibility on the reporting instead of just having canned reports. That was a big one where we can manage or develop the reports that work for us.